Hi guys, iQuiiKzZ here, bringing you a tutorial how to make a 3D avatar for YouTube. So you need 3ds Max and you go into standard primitive, click plane, put your crosshair over the corner, drag out, then let go in there, and then click this rotate tool and sort of rotate it so you're just looking at square on. And then click fill the view and bring it in, and then to change colour press M, and for this I'm going to have a black background, so you change the ambient to black, and then if you want a reflection leave the spectacular is white, so that's okay there. And then to get your text, click on the one with 3 shapes, click text, not section, sorry, text, scroll down. For this I'm gonna use the dodge text, so, and then put the size about 15 or 20, and I'm going to do 20 because I'm doing 2 letters. So click E, and then click on the screen, and then click on move, and then go to front and click that one and pull it up. And to make it 3D, click that, and then on the modifier list, this will be bigger on yours. I've got a netbook so it's quite small. Click bevel, and then add the value down here to about 5. And out 6, okay, that 6 is fine, and then click back on the E and E, and then move more in the middle, and then with the camera move it down an angle, and then use this hand tool to drag it across, and then again use the field of view, and then drag it back up. And then I'm going to change this to green, like a light green, and I'm going to put like a shine on it as well, so ambient again, and then choose what colour you want. You don't, I'm just doing it green for this, but you choose any colour, just drag it up and close. And for the shiny you need to minimize these. You go to maps, click on diffuse and spectacular, them 3, and then get I'll then click Bitmap for this one, and then in the description I'll put a download link to the shiny metal thing, which should make it shine. Hopefully it does, because then I look like a fool if I don't. And then to make it shine, go back to map, and then add bitmap on the other 2. So I'll speed this bit up, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Yeah, I'm back, and once you've done the maps, take the thing and drag it onto the text, and when we've put a light on it, it should reflect off it, so then it'll give it a nice effect. And I haven't put my background as black, which is cool. There we go. There. And then you need to make another letter, and I'm going to put a G for Extreme Graphics. G. Yeah, and again drag up and then move across again and add another bevel, and this time you shouldn't have to change the value because it should be already saved on, but if you do, change to the same because it might look a bit dodgy if you don't. And I've got the G and drag this back and across. And on here, if they're not level, just drag them up so they will actually know. That's okay, and then again you can do the same, but this time just make material copy. That's another you have to make another one. This time ambient. I'm going to put this, give it as grey, and I'll speed this bit up again with the maps and talk to you in a minute. I'm back now. To get your colour on, obviously drag it again, and now to put the light on. I'm going to put this at the same height. Oh, it's a bit dodgy. No. There, like that. To get a light on, click back on the perspective, and then with the panel view zoom out. So now you can stay zoomed in. Go to that arrow, then click on light. Target spot, and if you want shadows with it, you click on and then area shadows. You'll have to fiddle around with this until we get it like just right. And about the light, it looks better when it's rendered. When it's like in the preview, it looks a bit different, but once you've rendered it, it'll look better. And I might try with some sides of it. From the bottom to illuminate where it's EG, and turn on area shadow. It'll look there. And to make it just as bitmap or a YouTube picture or avatar, what you may call, just make it a camera, so an angle that you want it at. So I'm going to put it like slanted. Like that. And then go on create cameras, create camera from view, and if that doesn't come up, you have to click on perspective, and then once you've done that, click rendering, render, and for this click single, and then put it as 320 by 240. Click files and save it as BMP or PNG or JPEG. I'm going to try JPEG, and then save it as whatever you want, like extreme graphics, so it's EG avatar 3. Then click save, then put that as full if you want, like, then put smoothing as max. I think now leave smoothing as save, and then click OK, and then go down to render, and you should have your YouTube picture. Just rendered it over, and as you can see, it looks shadowed and shine, but the green hasn't come, but it should be. And if not, just mess around with the maps and change one of them to whatever colour you want and you'll get it eventually. But that's quite a basic one with shine and shadow, so rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in another tutorial.